Rahma. And I'm Karima. And thank you for subscribing. And today we'll be talking about ZARA, the clothing store. Hey ZARA, it's not cool to steal our traditional Somali Baati and call it tie-dye maxi dress. You didn't even mention where you got the inspiration from. Duh, Somalia, obviously. Stop appropriating. Stop it. Rahma, can you believe it's $69? What? I can get you two for $15 from my Ayaya store. Hey ZARA, what are you gonna claim next, huh? Our shash? Or maybe our ZARA? Thank you for watching. Yeah. You guys are amazing. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.